Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download US product barcode files for Shopify. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To download US product barcode files for Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin, navigate to the Products section on the left sidebar. Once in the Products section, locate the product for which you want to download the barcode. Click on the product name to open its details page. Scroll down to the Inventory section within the Product Details. Here, you will find a field labeled Barcode. If the barcode field is empty, you must assign a barcode before downloading. You can manually enter barcodes or import them in bulk using a CSV file. To import a CSV file, click on the Import button found in the Products section. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV file containing barcodes. After barcodes are added to your products, return to the Products section. To download the barcode information, click on the Export button on the right side. Select the current page or all products option based on your needs. Choose the CSV format for the export file. Click Export Products to initiate the download. Once the export is complete, locate the downloaded CSV file in your computer's designated download folder. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. In the file, you will find a column labeled Barcode containing all your product barcodes. For easier access, you can save this CSV file in a specific folder on your computer. Now, you have successfully downloaded the US product barcode files for your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.